Hey there, what's up guys? It is Fergal Downs here, and first of all I want to say a massive welcome to you to the Boostify sales page. So I'm a full-time internet marketer. I've been a full-time internet marketer now for 13 years, and the way I like to spread my time is 50% of the time when I'm working, I like to work on stuff that I know is going to make me money. 50% of the time, I'm searching for new methods, new traffic methods, new make money online methods that I hope will make me money. So Boostify is one of those new methods that I've discovered in 2025 that is making us a ton of money with very, very little work to be put into it. But let's go back to the very beginning before I tell you more about Boostify. So yes, I've been a full-time internet marketer for 13 years, but I did start 4 years before that. Between 2008 and 2012, I was spinning my wheels. I was buying course after course, putting all my free time while working a day job into learning these methods. They just weren't working for me. So I can really empathize with someone that wants to make internet marketing work for whatever reason, whatever your online income goals are, whatever your goals are. Maybe you want to travel, buy a car, put your kids through college, something like that. I can really empathize with people that want that, but are buying course after course, studying method after method, and it's just not working for them. Now, it's not even about the money that you spend on the courses. It's about the time that you invest into a method, and then the method doesn't work. So that happened to me for 4 years. The methods were just not working. I was putting all my free time into it, and that was the most difficult part of it. So I can really empathize with those kind of people that just have tried method after method and it just hasn't been working for them. And that's why we've discovered this Boostify method, because it's a method that works for every single person that puts it into action, and it works really, really well. And it's a brand new 2025 method. So it's nothing that's rehashed. It's nothing that's been used before or anything like that. So brand new 2025 method, totally untapped, ready for you to jump in and start making serious profits with this. So from 2008 to 2012, like I told you, I wasn't making much money online. But then in 2012, I was able to become a full-time internet marketer, and I took off and lived that internet marketing digital nomad dream that I always dreamt of, but I never truly believed was possible. So I took off to Thailand, and I tried to do Muay Thai and mixed martial arts in Thailand, but fortunately, I wasn't good enough. So now I just do it as a little hobby, but I'm not trying to be the next Conor McGregor or John Jones or someone like that. Now, currently at 38 years old, I became a full-time internet marketer when I was 25. Currently at 38 years old, I no longer travel like I used to. I live between somewhere in Spain, I live between Dubai, and I'm currently, as you can probably tell by my sweaty head, I'm currently in Vietnam, where it's 35 degrees Celsius outside, so very, very hot. So that's what internet marketing and methods like Boostify have allowed me to do. It's allowed me to live the dream and not be in Ireland, especially during the winter time where it's very, very cold, very, very wet. I'm able to go to either Madrid or Malaga, and then on to Dubai, and then on to Vietnam, and rotate that every single year. And I'll throw in a couple of other countries here and there if I have friends visiting or something like that. So this is the life I've always dreamt of. Internet marketing gave it to me. Your goals might be different. You might want to buy a car. You might want to pay off your mortgage. You might want to put your kids through college. Whatever your online income goals are, the Boostify method is going to get you there. So go ahead below this video right now, guys. Hit the join button, and we'll see you inside the members area in just a moment. And we can't wait to work with you on the inside.